Leg cramps are a common and often painful issue that affects many seniors, limiting their ability to move freely and comfortably. These involuntary muscle contractions usually occur at night or during physical activity and can vary from mildly uncomfortable to extremely painful. Several factors contribute to leg cramps, including dehydration, poor circulation, and nutrient deficiencies, but they are especially common in older adults due to changes in muscle mass, activity levels, and overall health. Fortunately, many leg cramps can be prevented or alleviated through simple lifestyle changes, such as dietary adjustments. Incorporating certain fruits into a senior's daily routine can be an effective way to strengthen muscles and reduce the frequency of cramps, as fruits are rich in essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, and antioxidants, each playing a crucial role in muscle health, hydration, and cramp prevention. In this video, we explore 6 fruits that are particularly beneficial for seniors aiming to maintain stronger, healthier muscles by highlighting their unique nutritional properties and demonstrating how they help prevent leg cramps and improve overall muscle function, ultimately leading to a more active and comfortable lifestyle for older adults. Before we proceed, if you're enjoying this content, please take a moment to like, comment, and share it with your friends, as this helps more people discover the channel. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary recommendations. Now, let's dive into 6 fruits that can help prevent leg cramps in seniors and promote stronger, healthier muscles. Bananas are among the most popular fruits worldwide, and for good reason. They're delicious, versatile, and packed with nutrients that support muscle health and prevent cramps. One key nutrient in bananas is potassium, a vital mineral that regulates muscle contractions and supports communication between the nervous system and muscles. This is especially important for seniors, who may experience more frequent muscle cramps due to a natural decline in potassium levels with age. When potassium drops too low, muscles become more prone to spasms, causing painful cramps. By regularly consuming potassium-rich foods like bananas, seniors can maintain proper muscle function and avoid these uncomfortable episodes. A medium-sized banana contains about 400 to 450 milligrams of potassium, roughly 10% of the recommended daily intake for seniors. Potassium also works with other electrolytes like sodium and magnesium to maintain fluid balance, which is crucial for preventing dehydration, a common trigger for leg cramps. Potassium helps draw water into cells, keeping muscles hydrated and functioning properly, while dehydration can cause abnormal muscle contractions and increase cramp risk. Therefore, eating bananas not only replenishes potassium, but supports hydration, making them an excellent snack choice for seniors, especially during warm weather or after physical activity. In addition to potassium, bananas are rich in vitamin B6, another essential nutrient that promotes muscle health by aiding neurotransmitter production, which regulates nerve function and muscle contractions. Vitamin B6 can reduce cramp intensity and frequency by supporting the nerves controlling muscle movements. And a deficiency in this vitamin can worsen muscle cramps, particularly in seniors. Fortunately, bananas are a great source of vitamin B6, making them a natural solution for preventing leg cramps and maintaining overall muscle function. Oranges are well known for their high vitamin C content, but their benefits extend beyond immune support. They play a vital role in muscle health, making them an excellent choice for seniors aiming to prevent leg cramps. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects muscles from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and tissues, including muscle fibers. By neutralizing free radicals, vitamin C reduces inflammation and muscle soreness, both associated with cramping. For seniors, vitamin C is particularly beneficial because it supports muscle tissue repair and maintenance. As we age, collagen production, a protein that provides structure and elasticity to muscles, tendons, and ligaments, declines. Collagen is essential for muscle flexibility and strength, so consuming vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges stimulates collagen production, ensuring muscles remain strong, flexible, and less prone to cramping. Additionally, vitamin C is crucial for healthy blood vessels and good circulation, which prevents muscle cramps by ensuring oxygen and nutrients are efficiently delivered to muscles. Poor circulation can cause muscle fatigue, weakness, and cramping, so oranges help strengthen blood vessels, improve circulation, and support muscle function. Oranges also provide significant hydration, which is essential in seniors who may be more susceptible to dehydration due to decreased thirst perception and kidney changes. Staying hydrated helps prevent cramps caused by electrolyte imbalances or fluid depletion, ensuring muscles contract and relax smoothly, and reducing spasms. Kiwis may be small, but they are packed with nutrients that benefit muscle health and help prevent leg cramps in seniors. One of the most important nutrients in kiwis is magnesium, which plays a key role in muscle function by helping muscles relax and contract properly while maintaining electrolyte balance, essential for preventing cramps. Magnesium deficiency is common in older adults because the body's ability to absorb and retain it declines with age, leading to muscle spasms, cramps, and weakness. Including magnesium-rich foods like kiwis help seniors keep muscles relaxed and less prone to cramping. A single kiwi provides about 30 milligrams of magnesium, covering approximately 8 to 10% of a senior's daily recommended intake. Besides magnesium, kiwis are rich in vitamin C, which reduces inflammation, promotes muscle tissue healing, and supports collagen production. Critical for muscle and connective tissue elasticity and strength. As collagen production decreases with age, consuming kiwis regularly boosts vitamin C intake and collagen synthesis, helping prevent muscle soreness and cramps. Kiwis are also an excellent source of fiber, which supports digestive health. Good digestion ensures efficient absorption and use of essential nutrients. Digestive issues like constipation can cause abdominal tension, contributing to muscle cramps, especially in the legs. The fiber in kiwis helps prevent constipation and promotes regular bowel movements, reducing cramp risk from digestive problems. Furthermore, kiwis contain potassium, vital for regulating fluid balance and muscle contractions. Like magnesium, potassium is often depleted in seniors, increasing the risk of muscle spasms and cramps. The potassium in kiwis helps maintain proper electrolyte levels, reducing cramps caused by dehydration or electrolyte imbalance. Watermelon is a refreshing, hydrating fruit that offers many benefits for seniors, especially in preventing leg cramps. One key factor is its high water content. About 92% of watermelon is water, making it one of the most hydrating fruits available. Dehydration is a major trigger for muscle cramps, particularly in seniors who may experience reduced thirst sensation and kidney changes with age. By eating watermelon, seniors can stay hydrated, helping to prevent cramps caused by dehydration. Watermelon also contains an amino acid called citrulline, which improves blood flow and reduces muscle soreness. Citrulline converts into arginine in the body, a precursor to nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels, improving circulation and allowing oxygen and nutrients to better reach muscles. This increased blood flow helps prevent muscle fatigue and cramping, especially after physical activity. For seniors who exercise, watermelon is a natural and effective way to promote muscle recovery and reduce cramp risk. Additionally, watermelon provides vitamin C, supporting collagen production and muscle repair. Collagen maintains the integrity and elasticity of muscles, tendons, and ligaments, and vitamin C protects muscle tissue from oxidative damage while aiding healing after strain or injury. Including watermelon in the diet supplies muscles with nutrients to stay strong and flexible, lowering the likelihood of cramps and other muscle issues. The potassium in watermelon is another benefit, as potassium is an electrolyte that regulates fluid balance and muscle function. Low potassium levels often cause muscle cramps, and watermelon helps replenish this important mineral. Potassium works alongside magnesium and sodium to maintain electrolyte balance, ensuring smooth muscle contraction and relaxation without cramping. Cherries are not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits, particularly in reducing inflammation and promoting muscle recovery. One standout feature of cherries is their high content of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation plays a key role in muscle soreness and cramps, especially after physical activity, and chronic inflammation can cause muscle stiffness and fatigue, making it harder for seniors to stay active. Besides their anti-inflammatory effects, cherries contain compounds that aid pain relief. Tart cherries in particular are known for reducing muscle pain and soreness after exercise. Studies show that consuming cherry juice or cherries post-activity significantly reduces muscle soreness and stiffness due to the anthocyanins lowering oxidative stress and inflammation in muscle tissue. For seniors experiencing muscle cramps after walking, exercising, or other activities, cherries offer a natural and effective way to relieve discomfort and speed recovery. Cherries are also a good source of melatonin, a hormone regulating sleep cycles. Quality sleep is crucial for muscle recovery and repair, while poor sleep increases muscle tension and cramps.
Consuming cherries or tart cherry juice before bedtime can improve sleep quality and give muscles time to recover fully.
Restful sleep promotes muscle fiber repair and reduces the chance of nighttime cramps, a common issue for seniors. Furthermore, cherries are rich in vitamin C, essential for muscle health by supporting collagen production. Collagen provides strength and elasticity to muscles, tendons, and ligaments, but its production declines with age, making muscles more vulnerable to strain and injury. Adding cherries to the diet supports collagen synthesis, helping muscles stay strong, flexible, and less prone to cramping. Papayas are tropical fruits that offer powerful muscle health benefits, especially through their unique enzymes. A standout enzyme in papayas is papain, which breaks down proteins and aids digestion, a benefit for seniors who often face digestive issues that contribute to abdominal tension and discomfort, factors that increase muscle cramp likelihood. By improving digestion, papain reduces bloating and constipation, relieving abdominal pressure that can cause muscle spasms. Besides digestive benefits, papayas are rich in vitamin C, crucial for muscle tissue repair and maintenance. Vitamin C supports collagen synthesis, the structural protein that maintains muscle and connective tissue integrity. As collagen production decreases with age, muscles weaken and become more prone to injury, but regular papaya consumption boosts collagen production, keeping muscles strong, elastic, and less prone to cramps. Papayas are also excellent sources of antioxidants, which reduce oxidative stress caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and contribute to muscle fatigue, soreness, and increased cramp risk. Antioxidants in papayas neutralize free radicals, reducing inflammation and protecting muscle tissue, thereby promoting overall muscle health. Moreover, papayas contain potassium and magnesium, both vital for proper muscle function. Potassium regulates muscle contractions, and magnesium supports muscle relaxation. Seniors are often at risk for deficiencies in these minerals, which can increase muscle cramps and weakness. Eating papayas helps replenish these essential minerals and maintain electrolyte balance, reducing muscle spasms. Finally, papayas are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for seniors aiming to maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight strains muscles and raises cramp risk, while fiber promotes digestive health and regulates blood sugar levels, both important for cramp prevention and overall muscle function. Leg cramps are a frequent and painful problem for seniors, but they don't have to be a normal part of aging. By incorporating certain fruits into their diet, seniors can strengthen muscles, reduce inflammation, and improve overall muscle function, making it easier to stay active and avoid discomfort. Each fruit provides unique benefits, from potassium and magnesium to antioxidants and vitamins, all working together to support muscle health, reduce inflammation, and keep cramps at bay. Making these nutrient-dense fruits a regular part of their diet allows seniors to enjoy stronger, healthier muscles, better circulation, improved hydration, and a lower risk of muscle spasms. Ultimately, this simple dietary change can lead to a more active, pain-free lifestyle, enabling seniors to move with ease and enjoy their daily activities. In addition to dietary choices, staying well hydrated is crucial for muscle health, especially in seniors. Dehydration can exacerbate muscle cramps by disrupting electrolyte balance and reducing blood flow to muscles. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps maintain proper hydration levels, supports nutrient transport, and keeps muscles functioning optimally. Combining hydration with a diet rich in muscle-supporting fruits creates a comprehensive approach to minimizing muscle cramps. Regular physical activity, tailored to individual ability, further strengthens muscles and improves circulation, reducing the frequency and severity of cramps. Seniors should also consult healthcare providers to rule out underlying medical conditions or medication side effects that might contribute to muscle discomfort. By integrating fruit-rich nutrition, adequate hydration, and appropriate exercise, seniors can significantly enhance their muscle health and enjoy greater mobility and comfort in their daily lives. Beyond these essential strategies, it's also beneficial for seniors to incorporate gentle stretching routines and massage therapies into their daily habits. Stretching helps maintain muscle flexibility and reduces stiffness, which can prevent the sudden onset of cramps. Simple practices like calf stretches before bedtime or after periods of inactivity can make a significant difference. Additionally, massages improve blood flow and relax tight muscles, further decreasing cramp occurrences. Seniors should aim for a holistic approach that combines nutrition, hydration, physical activity, and relaxation techniques to support overall muscle wellness. This comprehensive care not only curbs leg cramps, but also enhances general quality of life, empowering seniors to stay independent and engaged in activities they love. With these practical steps, managing and preventing muscle cramps becomes an achievable goal rather than a persistent challenge. It's important to remember that consistency is key when implementing these lifestyle changes. Gradual adjustments, rather than sudden overhauls, allow the body to adapt effectively and reduce the risk of injury or discouragement. Tracking progress through a journal or app can help seniors stay motivated and identify patterns related to cramps, diet, and activity levels. Support from family, friends, or community groups can provide encouragement and accountability, making the journey toward improved muscle health more enjoyable and sustainable. Ultimately, embracing these habits fosters resilience and well-being well into later years,